Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be doing a PR unboxing. If you guys follow me on Instagram, I was in Thailand for a week, including travel days. And so the PR packages kind of piled up. So I'm going to be opening them up on camera with you guys. I also ordered a few things from Amazon, so I'm going to include those as well. But I'll do those at the end of the video. I'm going to jump right in just because there's a lot. So the first one up here at the top is from Thrive Cosmetics. So let's see what's in here. I have my little trash bag, but it's for the recycle. Got it in there so it won't get messy in here. So let's see. It says leave a little sparkle wherever you go. So it is a brilliant eye brightener. So it highlights, brightens, and opens the eyes, providing an instant eye lift. So I believe you can use these in the inner corner, underneath the brow. You can use it as eyeliner. You can prime your lids. You can use it, you can use it as concealer. There are 3 shades. Okay, so there are 3 shades. Sorry it's so bright. You guys will be seeing everything like in tutorials and stuff like that, so you won't have to worry about that. But there are 3 shades. One in Mekio, one in Aurora, and one in Emma. This next package, I believe, is a surprise launch from Sigma, so I'm not gonna open this just in case it is a surprise, so you guys just stay tuned for that. And then this one is from ColourPop. I'm so excited for this one because I saw these swatches on Instagram when I was in between flights, I guess, like on layovers. And I was like, oh my god, that's so cute. So it's another launch for the Becky G Collection. So she has other collections with ColourPop. So this is another collection. Super cute. It has Becky G x ColourPop on it. And on here it says, growing up I always heard Viva Mexico. I agree, and add Viva el Amor, Viva la Vida, and Viva las Mujeres. I think that means long live Mexico, long live love, long live life, and long live women. So this first thing, let's see. I hope it's what I think it is, but I'm not gonna say until I see it. So you take the sleeve off. Yes, it is what I think it is. So these are the Super Shock shadows. And when I saw these, like the swatches, I almost lost my mind because they are such pretty shades. Let me kind of line them all up so you guys can see them. So it's kind of hard to see because my light is so bright, but yeah, these are the shades. Got a blue, a fuchsia, a gold, and a copper. No, a gold and an orange. I cannot wait to play with these. They're a bit darker in person just because my light is so bright. Yes, I'm excited. So then we have an ultra glossy lip bundle. The packaging is so cute. Let me just show you guys an up close of this. So these are the shades. You have like a mauve nude, a regular nude, and a shimmer gloss. All of them are glosses, like I said, but yeah, those are the shades. So nice. I can't wait to try the glittery glossy ones. It's just really fine glitter in it, but these are like the best ones from ColourPop. I absolutely love the ones that have shimmer in it, but I'm also going to try the other ones as well. I feel like it would be really pretty them mixed together, like all 3 of them mixed together. All right, and then this one is from Beauty by Pop Sugar. So my camera cut off and I didn't realize it, so I only opened 2 other packages before realizing it. The first one was from Beauty by Pop Sugar, and it's their new collection of their Glossy Sticks. So it's basically like a lip crayon, but it's glossy instead of matte. So they have a lot of shades. It seems like most of them are kind of in the pink family, and then they have like 2 brownish reddish ones. So let me know. I'm gonna put a poll in the corner of the screen and let me know if you guys want to see a lip swatch video on these lip colors. And then the next one was actually from Revlon, and it's another kind of lip collection. So they just launched Super Lustrous the gloss, and actually I say they just launched it, but they launched new shades. So the lip colors were already available, they just added 14 new shades. So I have all 14 of them inside of here. So if you guys want to see that, I'll leave another poll in the corner of the screen so you guys can let me know. But yeah, that's the only 2 things you guys missed, luckily, because that would suck if I was like done before realizing that I wasn't filming. So now we're gonna move on to the next one. I don't know where this one is from, so it's gonna kind of be a surprise. All right, Oh, it's from Glam Glow. Let's see what they came out with. A face mask. So it is the Youth Mud Glow Stimulating Treatment. It's known as a holy grail in Hollywood for instant camera ready super glowing skin. It's a pro quality facial in a jar. How cool is that? It says it's not recommended for extremely dry, reactive, or sensitive skin. I'm scared now because I have sensitive skin, but I think I do want to try it still. Maybe I'll try it in a small spot first. So this is the mask. I feel like they already had a Youth Mud. The press info actually says Hollywood Secret 10-minute facial is finally back. So I don't know if they took it away and brought it back because I feel like I've heard of Youth Mud before. But yeah, I definitely want to try it. I am a little scared, but I definitely do want to try it. Okay, this one I think is from Mercier. I read the box earlier on this one. Oh, this might be a new foundation. Or maybe an already existing foundation. Let's see. Let me just open it up. Flawless Fusion Ultra Longwear Foundation. And then we have a primer. Oh, the concealer. This is like my favorite concealer. I'm so glad they sent this because I'm running out. That's my favorite. And then we have the foundation primer, the original one, and then we have the foundation primer, the hydrating one. And then what are these? Oh, 2 more concealers. So cool. I have other shades to choose from, a lighter one and a darker one, but I know 4N is my shade. So awesome. Thank you, Laura Mercier. Thank you everybody so far. So this next package, I really don't know where it's from. Even before I took off the address thing, I still didn't know who it's from. So another surprise. Okay, so this is from Grande. I think that's how you pronounce it. It is the Grande brand that's actually available in Ulta. And I've been wanting to try this for a long time, the Enhancing Serum. So this is probably the only lash growth serum that I kind of felt good about. They have both the lash serum and the brow serum. So I'm going to try to see if they grow. We'll see. It takes 4 to 6 weeks for the lashes and 6 to 8 weeks for the brows. All right, and then there's some other things in here. We have a brow gel. We also have a mascara. We have the Lip Plumper Trio. And then we have just information on the product. I really like these. I'm so glad brands send these because I can read about the products and everything and make sure I'm giving you guys good info. All right, so this one right here, I'm super excited about because I wanted to do this review before I left out of town, but it didn't come in the mail. But it is the new Urban Decay foundation. It is the Stay Naked foundation, and I'm super excited. I got 2 shades. One already looks like it's a little too dark. This one is in the shade 61NN. This one is the one that looks the most like my shade, and then I got 71NN. So I guess if this shade is too light, I can mix them together to make my shade. And then I have 2 concealers. One is 60NN and one is 50CP. So 2 shades in that. And then I also got the new Vice Lip Chemistry lip colors. So I have all of those. They're right here. So another poll for you guys. Let me know in the corner if you want to see it. Actually, no, you don't have to let me know on this because I'm definitely doing a lip swatch video on these lip colors. But yeah, so that's all the PR. Now I'm going to open up Amazon. So all of this stuff I did purchase myself. I thought it was just included just because I'm going to open them anyway right now. So I might as well do it on camera. So these right here are socks. So my feet get really cold no matter what time of year it is. It gets cold and then they get really, really hot. But I actually needed some warm socks because all of my socks actually suck and they don't keep my feet warm. So I got these. Hopefully they're good. I have no idea. The reviews were pretty good, so I got them. We'll try those out and see how that goes. Okay, this one right here, I'm super excited to try out. So this is a Sweet Sweat waist trimmer. So this is actually something you put around your waist to help you sweat the water weight or just excess fat off the stomach. I think it's probably just water weight. But I actually used to wear a waist trainer to the gym and I never really felt like it helped. I just didn't feel like it did anything, so I stopped wearing it. But I saw Keisha Kaur she has her waist trainers now, but those things are expensive. I think they're like $70 for one waist trainer or one like sweat belt kind of thing. So I went over to Amazon and I decided to just get one to try it out. So I'm gonna try it on now because I didn't know what size to get. This is perfect. So you just put it around the waist and I guess you just wear it to the gym and it helps for you to sweat in the stomach area, which is awesome. But I think you can wear it any point in time, so you don't just have to wear it to the gym. You can wear it to work or wherever, to dinner or something like that. It fits underneath a lot of clothes, they say. All right, and then we have, I forgot what this, oh, these are house shoes. So when I was in the hotel, they had house shoes in there, and I was like, man, I wish I could take these with me, but I feel so bad taking anything from a hotel. I bought some house shoes. These look nothing like the ones in the hotel. The ones in the hotel were like not as cool as these, but I got these on Amazon because I really wanted some house shoes, because what I was wearing before was like Nike and Adidas sliders, and yeah, now I have these, and they're like the memory foam ones. I'm gonna put these on right now. Ooh, yeah, these are nice, walking around and all. Right guys, so that is the end of this video. It was actually super quick. I feel like I went through the packages pretty quick. Let me know if you guys like these kind of videos when I do PR unboxings when I do PR unboxes after being out of town for a while. And let me know what you want to see first as far as in tutorials on what you want me to try and everything. Thank you guys as always so much for watching. Make sure that you subscribe down below, or you can click my face over here, and I promise I'll see you guys next time. Bye guys.